everybody. So here we have a 2017 Peterbilt 579 Epiq edition. So with this Epiq edition, we got, of course, we got the chrome mirrors, covers right here, chrome visor, chrome handles. We got the full skirts. Of course, my truck has an APU that doesn't work. There's our spare tire. We got a satellite on our trucks. Yeah. But we got the side windows. Let's start here at the turbo, just like Jake Cannell does. Turbo right there. Got a fan. So this is a Epiq MX-13. I believe it has about 450, 475 horsepower, probably about 1850 torque. So we got our red coolant. Epiq. Good stuff. Go over to this side. Here's our window washy, alternator, and water pump. I think that is. I don't know. Got our fuel water separator. We're gonna check the oil and put the engine oil right there in that red one. Epiq and stuff. So yeah, I guess here where we can charge the batteries if they're dead, I believe, and stuff. So, but yeah, it's a good thing about this truck. It has a safety pin thingy. You know, keeps it, if the wind blows or whatever, the thing will keep it from falling onto you or whatever. So to put it down, put that, and that's it. And that's when you can close this thing. We got this thing too. Full guard. Let's go inside, shall we? So here we got our driver's seat. You can adjust it to your wherever you want it. I mean, usually mine's like down here. Let me put it down. It won't go down. Of course, those are the two pups. This is the mileage. 280,895.7 miles. Yes, it shows 6.8 average, but I usually get about 8 something and stuff. So, but yeah, you got a lot of cubbies. Cubby here, cubby here. Turn on the lights. Cubby is there. Place for your CB right there, but my CB doesn't fit. That's where I keep my Bluetooth. Of course, you got my GPS there. Got my dash cam. Got pre-pass and easy pass. Got the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority one for Oklahoma. Got my Qualcomm. Where I keep my phone. And it is a 10-speed automatic. You know, with the manual stuff. And this is where I keep my passenger seat, where I keep all my things, where I keep all my truck paper, because I am looking for a truck and stuff. So yeah, and then let's go to the back. This is the back. Peterbilt. The doggies. Lucas, and that's Haley. That's my pillow, and that is my bed sheets. Here we got a TV, and here is where I keep my PS4 and the DirecTV, but DirecTV doesn't work if I have a trailer back there and stuff. Where I keep my movies too and stuff. Right now I got no clothes. They're still in the laundry bag. This is where I keep all my things that I don't need and stuff. Of course, I got my food stuff. Of course, my microwave. Y'all can't see. I don't know why. Over here, got another cubby hole. This thing here picks up. It's so hard. Oh, there's that thing. And you got a little cubby here. Of course, back here you got the inverter, 2500 watt inverter. Here you got a little bit more cubby space, which is kind of full right now. Y'all can't see. A little dark in here. But yeah. Of course, back here kind of like some LEDs, LED lights that not that bright and stuff. I know I probably just blinded you and stuff. So yeah. So this again, this is a Peterbilt 2017 Peterbilt 579 Epiq and stuff. So yeah. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. Comment down below. Share this video if you like. Of course, we also got that cubby right there for a fridge. And right there, got another little cubby down there for I don't know what it is, but it's pretty small. So yeah. Of course, that's where I keep the food and the water and stuff. Say hi, Lucas. Where's Haley? There she is. Bye.